Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Wallet and tapping the plus icon. This launches the add card flow. You will need your Apple ID signed in and device passcode enabled so Apple can securely link the card to your account. Once done, choose debit or credit, then scan the card with the camera or type numbers manually. Do this to avoid errors. Make sure billing address and postal code match your bank records, because verification depends on that information to authorize the card. You'll now verify the card with your bank. Expect an SMS code, email link, or a prompt in your bank app. Enter the code or approve the request so the issuer confirms you. Once verified, make the card your default in Wallet if you want it used automatically. Enable Express Transit for public transport to skip authentication. Also check that Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode is enabled for payments. This ensures quick yet secure authentication. You finish by testing with a small purchase or transit gate so you can confirm everything works in real situations. This verifies both the card and authentication flow. If using an Apple Watch, add the card through the Watch app and confirm the watch is paired and unlocked, because watches manage cards separately. If payment fails, remove the card and re-add it. Check network and iCloud status, and contact your bank for authorization holds. Often a quick issuer fix resolves stalled activations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.